I live about 3 miles outside of the town of Steamboat Springs, Colorado. We have 2 horses. We have 2 mules that are full brothers, Gus and Clancy. We have 10 goats right now. Then I have a little special needs goat called Patsy. She's my constant companion. When she was born, her legs were bent this way instead of being born this way. So Patsy has a little bit of a hard time getting around. We're kind of kindred spirits, as I've been told. Both of us with elbow issues. I was diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis about 15 years ago, and it just started deteriorating my elbow joints with just intense chronic pain 24 hours a day. And there were days that I didn't want to get out of bed. It got very dark for me for a while. My garden, I didn't get any time out there last year. This place is my getaway from the world. I thought I was going to have to just let it become overrun with weeds, and it was breaking my heart. Looking at a life on pain medication, that's not the kind of life I want to live.
Barb came into my office complaining of elbow pain. She said she couldn't even do anything during the day because her pain was just so bad. If you can't control the pain anymore, and you say, I'm at the point where I'm willing to undergo the risk of surgery, that's when it's time to replace your elbow.
He said they actually replace the elbow joint. They take the old one out, put the new one in.
2 days after her surgery, she said, the pain is so much better. And I said, well, where is your pain? And she said, my other elbow. Can you replace my other one? How soon can we do this? Barb is special for Yampa Valley Medical Center because she's the first elective total elbow replacement that's been done here. And we did both of her elbows.
I feel like I've been given a new lease on life. I wake up in the morning and I look out the window and I just thank Lord for what a beautiful day to wake up with no pain and be out just with the animals. I can spend hours out there with them now instead of minutes. I got my joy and my happiness back, and my outlook on life is so much better. Barb is back. Look out.